Welcome to today's episode of Doomsday Pantry. You're going to be dealing with people actually making noise in the background because this is a short improvised episode. I was just informed that Mark Warner made a tuna melt via a microwave, and I just can't even. So I'm going to show you how to make a proper tuna melt. Bread, tuna, bowl, spoon, fork, mayonnaise, knife, cheese of your choosing. First step, drain off your tuna. Then you're going to put it in a bowl, and you're going to add mayonnaise. Note the size of my spoon is a small dessert spoon. I used 1.5 spoons of mayonnaise. If you like more mayonnaise in your tuna, by all means, add more, but you shouldn't need any more than that. Some people might even say that's more mayonnaise than you need. I like mine a little bit moist, not dry. Some people like it dry. Next step, you're going to take a thin layer of mayonnaise and spread it on the outside of your bread. I'm using a griddle to cook. You can use a pan. See how thin that layer of mayonnaise is on the outside of your bread? That's appropriate. Now you're going to flip it over. Notice the sizzling. This is how we're cooking the outside of our bread. Then you are going to take your tuna and you're going to place it on only two sides. Now you're going to add your cheese on top of the tuna. And then you're going to take your top pieces and put them on top. That's it, just like that. See, look. I had to rip my cheese in half because my cheese is bigger than my bread. And layer it slightly. I layer it in the middle so that the cheese is in the middle. Then you just wait. Probably about 5 minutes, maybe less. You want the cheese melted. So what you're going to do is you're going to check the bottom of your sandwich repeatedly. Give it about a minute, check it, give it about a minute, check it, until it's the satisfactory level of golden brown and cooked that you want. And then you're going to flip it on the other side and do the same thing. It's simple. Golden brown. Golden brown. That's what that means. And that's it, folks. A melty, cheesy tuna melt. That's all it is. You can tell because this is cheese melted. Microwaving it does no such thing. It makes it rubbery. So thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Doomsday Pantry, where I show you the proper way to make a tuna melt. Not with a microwave.